Boom, what's up? Set Fire to the Rain by Adele, acoustic version, because my voice is baritone and she's a girl, so ladies, do not complain about how I can't hit high notes because my voice is baritone, so that's a low sort of standard. Do not judge. I hit puberty, so don't complain. I'm not like Justin Bieber or anything, okay? Fuck. Peasants. Let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and it was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms when I fall into your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face, while it burned, while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. When I lay with you, I can stay there, close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face, while it burned, while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. But I set fire to the rain when I threw us into the flames. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that there was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, that heart you come must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, so pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. And I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that there was the last time. Oh, let it burn. Oh. Let it burn. Oh, let it burn. Oh. Let it burn. Oh. Let it burn. Oh, no. Let it burn, let it burn. Thank you for listening to that version by Adele, Set Fire to the Rain. My name is Luke Hourigan. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed that. If not, then go fuck yourselves. No, I'm just joking. Just subscribe, please.